Freshdesk is a customer support platform that offers a self-service portal to help users find answers to their queries. Here's how to use Freshdesk's self-service portal. Customize the knowledge base. Create articles or FAQs covering common questions, troubleshooting guides, or any relevant information. Organize these articles into categories and ensure they are clear, informative, and easy to understand. Set up the self-service portal. Configure the self-service portal by selecting the layout, design, and sections. Ensure it reflects your brand and is user-friendly. This includes adding a logo, changing colors, and adjusting the layout. Publish articles. Once your knowledge base is ready, publish the articles in the self-service portal. Assign appropriate categories and text for easy navigation and search. Enable user access. Allow customers to access the portal. You can provide direct links or embed the portal into your website for easy access. Monitor and update. Regularly review and update the content in the self-service portal. Analyze user behavior such as article views and searches to improve the content and the portal's usability.